Welcome to Sumaya English Primary School, Class 6, and the subject is the Geography, and the chapter is 1, and the name of the chapter is the Earth and the Graticule. First we will see here what is graticule. You can see the figure of the graticule here. It means a network of the lines. Just look it on the figures here, how the networks of the lines it is shown in the figure, that representing the meridians. See, the meridians line is given and the parallel lines is also given, on which a map we can see it. It can be represented here. See, the parallel of the latitude, which is the north and the south point, is given. East and the west point is also given, and the equator line is given, and the parallels of the latitudes and the meridians. So these are the network of the lines which is known as a graticule. Now we will see about the globe. Everyone knows about the globe. It is one of the model of the earth. You can see the figure of the globe here, it is shown. It gives an exact picture of the earth's surface, which is very important and helpful for us. It also shows the exact location of the respective places on a very smaller scale also. So in this way we can find or see many places or get the location with the help of this globe. So this was a definition and it was the explanation of the globe. Now we will next see about the parallels of the latitude. See, the figures is also given here, the parallels of the latitude, how it has been divided the things. The globe, that is in the middle we can see the equator, at the north side Tropic of Cancer, and at the above, that is the North Pole, near about the North Pole we can see the Arctic Circle, and in the south side we can see the Tropic of Cancer, that means below the equator, that is near about the South Pole. If we will talk, there is the Antarctica Circle. So these are the parallels of the latitudes. Here is the latitude is also given in this column, in the left side column in the figures, and the pole is also given, whatever I have told you in the figure, that is the North Pole. Then afterwards it comes the Arctic Circle, then it comes the Tropic of Cancer, then equator, then Tropic of Capricorn, then Antarctica Circle, then afterwards the South Pole. That means these are the parallels of latitudes. We can see the figure of the parallels of the latitude. It means the circles which is created at the angular distance from the center of the earth. Then it is parallel to the one another, which is known as the parallel of the latitude. That means the angular, the distance is of about the angular distances from the center of the earth it has been taken. Then it is the one another, it has been, the line has been drawn, that is a parallel to each other, which is known as the parallels of latitudes. And these parallels are always in the angular, which is measured in the degrees. So here we can see the next figure, that is the globe. Here is also it is given, but this globe has been divided, that means the earth has been divided into two parts, that is the northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere. So how it is divided from the earth? So we will now talk about these two hemispheres, that is the northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere. The earth are divided into two equal parts by the equator. That two parts is known as the north and the south. First, the earth is divided into two parts, that is the north and the south. Means north is the northern hemisphere and the south is the southern hemisphere. In the globe, or we can say on the earth also, there are the ends of the earth's axis. Here we are talking about the ends, each ends, earth's each ends have the axis, that is known as the earth's axis, which we can describe as a point. That is at the north end, which is known as the North Pole, and at the south ends, which is known as the South Pole. So in this way, the earth or the globe is divided into two parts. This was a very short points. I hope all the points was clear. Thank you.